Hi, my name's Chuck at Inline Tube, and today we're going to show you how to use the Imperial Brand tube bender. This Imperial tube bender features an adjustable swivel handle that will bend tubing up to 180 degrees and can be used for bending steel, stainless steel, copper, aluminum, and other metal tubes. The first step is to measure and mark the tubing with a permanent marker where the bend will be created. Next, raise the swivel handle and slide your tubing through the form wheel and tube clamp. If the end from which you measured is placed to the right of the tube clamp, set the marking on the tube directly over graduation R located on the swivel handle. If the end from which you measured is placed to the left of the tube clamp, set the marking on the tube directly over graduation L located on the swivel handle. Align the black marking to the appropriate letter. For this demonstration, the tubing will be aligned with the letter L. Once you have aligned your tubing with the letter L, pull the handle down until the swivel handle 0 meets the 90-degree marking on the form wheel. Finally, open the swivel handle, remove your tubing, and inspect your 90-degree bend. This Imperial tube bender will also create the double 45 and 30-degree offset bend. Results will vary depending on the chosen X dimension and Y dimension. Refer to the chart displayed on the back of the instruction sheet. Once you have the correct measurements, mark them on the tubing with a permanent marker. Next, feed the tubing through the tube clamp and form wheel. Make sure to align the 0 on the swivel handle to the 0 on the form wheel. Now, move the first measurement to the 45-degree mark located on the swivel handle. With your tubing correctly positioned, bend the swivel handle down until both 45-degree markings align with each other. Following the first completed bend, reposition the second mark to the 45-degree marking on the swivel handle. After aligning the mark, reorient the bend 180 degrees from the floor to ceiling. Now, bend the swivel handle down until both 45-degree markings align with each other. Finally, remove the line and inspect your double 45-degree offset. If you have any questions, visit www.inlinetube.com and click the live chat button in the bottom right corner to speak with an expert. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below and like, comment, and share our other videos.